Creating a poster using Canva mobile app is a very straightforward process. This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can create a design poster on your own. First, you need to go to the Play Store and download the app. If you're on Apple, just go to Apple App Store and download your app on your device. Open the app and sign up for the new account or log in if you already have one. After logging into the Canva, you have to click on the plus icon or create a design icon and search for poster in the search bar to find the poster templates. Browse through available templates and select the one that suits your needs. Tap on the chosen template to open it in the editor. Now tap on existing text boxes to edit the content. Tap on plus button to select images from your gallery or your library. It's up to you. Add shapes, icon, illustration by tapping plus button and selecting elements. Change the background color or pattern. It's totally up to you how you design your poster. Once you're satisfied with your needs, tap to the download icon or save the poster to your device. Now you can share it directly via social media or email. So this was how you can create Canva posters, and I'll see you in the next one.